Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to know when your friend view your Snapchat story. If you want to know when your friends or your best friends view your Snapchat story so that you get notified, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So to do that, you open your Snapchat app, go to your profile, go to settings. I also have to point out that this is a Snapchat Plus feature. So you have to be a member of a Snapchat Plus. So click on Snapchat Plus, click on features. Now scroll down and click on story view notifications. Click on it. As you can see right here, it says story viewer notifications. Know when a friend views your story. So what you have to do is to click on the friend you want to be notified when he or she viewed your story. Click on it. Start getting story viewed notification from them. Click on OK. From now on, anytime she viewed my story, I'm going to get a notification. So that's how you know when a friend view your story on Snapchat. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.